The 7 amazing animals found frozen in ice. Number 7. Foxes. In 2017, a remarkable discovery was made on the Danube River in Germany when a fox was found completely frozen in ice. This discovery was made by a local resident named Franz Steele, who came across this unusual sight during winter. The fox had attempted to cross the ice-covered river, but the ice broke due to its thinness. As a result, the fox tragically drowned and froze in place due to the extreme cold. This incident highlights the harsh reality of nature and how dangerous winter can be for wild animals. Number 6. Moose. A fascinating but tragic discovery was made near Unalakleet, Alaska in November 2016, where 2 adult moose were found frozen together in ice. Scientists believe that these powerful animals were involved in a territorial fight or a battle for a mate. During the fight, their antlers got tangled and both moose fell into freezing water. As a result, they couldn't free themselves, and the icy temperatures quickly froze them. This frozen scene shows how natural instincts and aggressive behavior can lead to unfortunate outcomes in harsh environmental conditions. Number 5. Woolly rhinoceros. In 2020, scientists made an extraordinary discovery when they found a 32,000 years old woolly rhinoceros preserved in ice along the banks of the Terek River in Russia. This juvenile rhinoceros was remarkably well preserved, with its fur, skin, and limbs still intact due to the freezing conditions. The discovery provides invaluable insights into these ancient creatures that lived during the late Pleistocene epoch, approximately 37,000 years ago. The rhino is now kept at the Mammoth Museum in Yakutsk, where researchers continue to study it to learn more about the species' appearance, behavior, and the environmental conditions they lived in. Number 4. Cave lions. 2 remarkable discoveries in 2017 and 2018 unveiled frozen cave lion cubs in Russia, providing unprecedented insights into these extinct big cats. The first cub, named Boris, was determined to be approximately 43,000 years old, while the second cub, Sparta, was dated to around 28,000 years ago. These cave lions were powerful predators that roamed across Europe and Asia during the Pleistocene epoch. The cubs' remains are so well preserved in the ice that researchers can study their anatomy, diet, and even their genetic makeup, helping to piece together the story of these magnificent prehistoric creatures. Number 3. Yucca the mammoth. In 2010, Siberian tusk hunters uncovered one of the most remarkable Ice Age specimens, a woolly mammoth named Yucca. Dating back 39,000 years, Yucca's remains were so perfectly preserved that scientists could extract her blood, which contained a natural antifreeze. This incredible preservation allowed researchers to study her in unprecedented detail. Yucca likely met her end by getting stuck in a swamp, unable to escape her muddy trap. Now displayed in Moscow, she represents a fascinating window into prehistoric life. Her body tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the incredible preservation capabilities of extreme cold environments. Number 2. Lena horse. In 2018, scientists made an incredible discovery in Siberia's frozen landscape, a 42,000-year-old horse perfectly preserved in permafrost. This tiny creature was found in a massive crater known as the Gateway to the Underworld, offering a remarkable glimpse into prehistoric life. It was very young, likely only 1 to 2 weeks old when it died, and measured just 98 centimeters in height. The Lena horse belonged to an extinct species, different from modern horses. Scientists were so fascinated by this specimen that they are even trying to grow living cells from its tissue, hoping to potentially clone this ancient animal in the future. Number 1. Fish. At the Lake Andes National Wildlife Refuge in South Dakota, an extraordinary sight was documented in 2015 when numerous fish were discovered frozen within 4-foot-thick ice walls. This unusual phenomenon occurred due to extremely rapid freezing conditions that frozen the fish before they could swim to deeper, unfrozen waters. The incident provides important information about how sudden temperature changes can affect aquatic life and demonstrates the challenges that fish face during severe winter conditions.